Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking some more about comparing numbers. Yesterday we compared numbers by matching up cube trains to help us figure out which group had more, which group had less. Today we're just going to count different sets of objects and just use what we already know about numbers to decide which is greater and which is less. Alright, so you need to get this page out of your packet. We're going to do a couple for examples together and then you're going to work on some of them on your own. You need to get your name on the top. It says, look at the sets of objects, count how many in each set, trace the numbers to show how many, and then compare the numbers. So that's several things we need to do. The first thing it said to do was count. So we're going to count these boots. So everybody put your finger on the first boot, and I'm going to show you a little trick. Sometimes when you're counting objects and they're like in a funny shape, they're not in a nice neat row, you can kind of mark them out as you count them so you know which ones you've already done. So we're going to do that with these boots. We're going to start on this one right here, and we're going to count them and mark them out at the same time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boots. And we're going to trace this 6. And then we're going to do the same thing down here at the bottom with these binoculars. We're going to count them and mark them out. And then we'll trace the number that tells how many. Let's count together. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 binoculars. So we're going to trace that 8. Now let's talk about these numbers for just a minute. Which number is greater? 6 or 8? Which is greater or which is more? 8 is the greater number. Which number is less? 6 is less than 8. That's what we're going to do when we compare these numbers, okay? All right. These next few are all the same, okay? So we're going to do one together, and then I'm going to kind of give you the directions for the rest of your packet, and you're going to practice comparing these numbers and counting the objects on your own, okay? So let's look up here by the red apple. We're going to touch and count these helmets together. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to write an 8 on the line. We're going to make an S, go back up and close it. Let's count these paint buckets. Everybody put your finger on the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write a 10. Remember, 10 is a 1 and a 0. Now on this page, we're looking for the number that is greater. Which of these numbers is greater? Which set has more? 8 or 10? Which do you think is greater? I think that 10 is greater than or more than 8. So I'm going to circle the 10. You're going to do the same thing by the yellow sun and the green leaf. You're going to count each set of objects, write how many, and you're going to circle the number that is greater, okay? Then on this page, you're going to switch it. You're going to count the objects and write how many, but this time, you're going to circle the number that is less, that is fewer, all right? So on this page, you're circling, after you count and write the numbers, you're circling the number that is greater or more. On this page, after you count and write in each set, you're going to circle the number that is less or fewer, okay? And then on the back, you're going to count these sets of objects and talk with somebody in your house about the sets, if one is greater, one is less, or if they are the same. And then on the bottom, you're going to draw 2 sets of the same number of objects, all right? So do your best work, do some good thinking about comparing those numbers, and I'll talk to you later.